Right. Sorry, I forgot to record the session. So anyway, welcome to the session, right? This is our fifth session in our final preparation paper series. So as usual, we're going to do a paper, right? And then we're going to identify the gaps in our knowledge. Plus, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to give you guys the long awaited schedule, right? So Pute, this is the same schedule followed by all the students who get the all of my students, right? They are the ones who get the prizes in the Lyceum, right? So the Lyceumers might know them, Sanuli and Rashin and all who got the prizes for IT and all other subjects. They follow this schedule, right? That is a trick. So I'm going to teach you guys the schedule in the end of the session. So wait until then, right? This is the most important thing. Right? This is the most important thing that I can give you. හරිද පුතේ? This schedule. මේ schedule එක හැමෝම follow කරන්න ඕන. සහ මම අන්තිමට කියනවා මේ schedule එක හැමෝම මට ඇඳලා I want this schedule to, right? I want everyone to draw this schedule, paste it on the wall wherever you study, right? Paste it in front of that, and I want everyone to follow this. හරිද පුතේ? Okay, so schedule is for the end part. Let's get down to our paper. Right. Okay. So the first question, right? What is the first question, Lamai? Provide short and precise answers. Lamai, when I'm telling you the answer, when I'm explaining you the answer, if you are given some incorrect answer, you know what to do. Correct it, right? Just correct your answer. Don't just put an incorrect symbol or a cross or whatever, just a correct symbol or what, right? If there are gaps in what you have written and the things that I'm saying, the things that I'm explaining, right? The answer that you have written and the answer that I'm giving you, if they are two different things, then you have to make amends to your answer. That is how we have to fill in the gaps in our knowledge. අපේ knowledge එකේ තියෙන gaps identify කරගන්න එක. I'm not going to mark this paper. I'm not going to give you marks. මට marks වැඩක් නැහැ. හරිද? Right, marking these paper my marking කියන එක පුතේ එහෙනම් බොරුවක්. මම කියලා තියෙනවානේ. So මොනවාද අඩුවක් තියෙනවනේ, if there are any gaps, add it to your answer, right? So provide short and precise answers. Okay, let's provide short and precise answers. Convert A27 hexadecimal into binary and octal, right? Okay, so I know this is a very easy one, right? But let me show you how it need to be done so that you will get the full marks. A2 hexadecimal, A27 hexadecimal, right? A27 hexadecimal. So how do we do this to get the full mark? This is how we have to do it. First, they are asking to convert this into binary, right? They are asking to convert this into binary. Okay, let's convert this into binary. A27. Now you know that to convert hexadecimal into binary, we need to convert hexadecimal into sets of 4 bits, right? Each hexadecimal bit will represent 4 binary bits. One octal bit will represent 3 binary bits. Right. So 7 means what? 0, 1, 1, 1. 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. A means 1, 0, 1, 0. A can hear that. Right? Now I'm going to to the power 0, to the power 1, right? To the power 2, to the power 3. Right? Paper එක ගත්ත ගමන් A කියන්නේ කීයද? A කියන්නේ 10. 10 හැදෙන්නේ කොහොමද? 8යි 2යි මේ දෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. 1 0 1 0, right? But technique එක I have taught you that. So today, now this is not your answer. This is not your answer, right? Your answer is like this: 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 binary. This is your answer. This is just the working. දැක්කද? සමහර ළමයි මෙතනට 2 දාන්න binary 2 කියලා. But the answer, you only get half marks either for the working or for the answer. මෙන්න working තියෙන half mark, මෙන්න answer එක තියෙනවා half mark. ඔන්න 1 mark. ඊළඟට අනිත් octal එකට. octal එකට convert කරන්න පුතේ මේක ආපහු ලියන්න. So this is your binary, right? This is your binary conversion. This is your binary, right? Then write the answer again: 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. right? Now divide this into sets of what? 3 bits. 1, 2, 3 break, 1, 2, 3 break, 1, 2, 3 break. Here we have 3 1. 3 1 means what? 1 1 1, which means 4 2 1. 4 2 1 can be the 7. 1 0 0. 1 0 0. Man, में bits 1 0 0, which means 4 only. 4 0 0 0. 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 4 and 1, which is 5. The answer is 5 0 4 7 octal. This is your octal answer, right? Half mark for this, half mark for this, half mark for this, and half mark for this. You will get 2 marks, right? In the first question for each Roman number, you will get 2 marks. So that is how you get the 2 marks. Then convert Roman number 2. Right. So the following circuit is designed for a washing machine. So this circuit is designed for a washing machine today. So in this washing machine, if you have any questions, raise your hand, right? Then I can answer those questions. Or just send me a message, right? So here we have washing machine. Now Lamai, a door switch should be closed. So the door switch, right? The door switch should have 2 results. What are the 2 results? Door close, door open. Or they shouldn't be switch on 1, switch off 0. Door close, door open, right? Door close means 1, door open means 0. Door close close washing machine will work, right? So the door should be closed and the water volume should be at the required level, and also the manual should be turned on. Dorat Vahila, right? This shortcut method only.
Yes, sir.
Right. I will get down to it after I explain this. Right. So here in this logical diagram, the door switch should be closed. Or switch on can right? Pahala time switch on 1 switch off 0 manual switch. It's on the top also. So for the door switch, it should be closed. Switch, door close 1, door open 0. So make the windows. Door switch, door close should be 1. අනිවාර්යෙන් door එක වැහෙල්ල තියෙන්නම ඕනේ. In the door close කියන එක 1, right? ඒකත් වැහිලා. So ඒකත් 1 වෙලා, right? It should be also 1 like this. මෙහෙම. So this should be 1, and from here water level, required level නම් 1. Manual switch on, yes, 1. Then මොකද්ද වෙන්න පුතේ? මේ දෙක තියෙනවා නම් මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? From here we should get 1, right? Only if the water volume is at the required level and only if the manual switch is on, then the output of this logic gate should be 1. So this should be what today? AND gate. Yes, Lishan, very good. This is an AND gate, right? Today, and only when this output is 1, only when this input for the P gate, right? The bottom input for the P gate is 1, and the top input also is 1, then only the washing machine will work, which means what is the top input? The door should be closed, which is 1. The bottom water level at the required amount and the manual switch on. Then P is also what? What is P? AND gate. It is also AND gate, right? Right. Understood? So what is the related logic circuit for label P and Q? P can AND gate, Q can AND gate, right? Then write the Boolean expression for the above completed circuit. Completed circuit Boolean expression right? It will be X dot inside brackets Y dot Z. X dot inside brackets Y dot Z. හරිද? x dot inside brackets y dot z. අනෝ තමයි එන්නේ. Right. Okay. So I hope that is clear, right? Okay. Now again, let me go back to this one. හරිද? ළමයි paper එක ගත්ත ගමන් මුලින් මෙන්න මේක කරන්න. You have a question? Dhami asking a question. Why is the door one? Puthe, when the door is closed, it is one. හරිද? When the door is closed, it is one. මොකද if the door switch is not closed, ඒ කියන්නේ door switch එක open නම් පුතේ එහෙනම් washing machine එක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ නේ. Right? So AND gate එකක් නේ තියෙන්නේ නේද දැහැමි? We have AND gate එකක් තියෙන්නේ. So P is AND gate. එහෙනම් P එකට පුතේ x එක මොකක් විදියට දෙන්න ඕන? 1 විදියට. එහෙනම් door close කියන එක 1 වෙන්න ඕන. Right? Door open කියන එක තමයි 0 වෙන්නේ. Understood මේ දැහැමි?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good. Let me quickly explain to you the binary conversion technique, right? So as soon as you get the paper, do the hexadecimal A, B, C, D, E, F, P equals 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. එක මුලින් දාගන්න. හරිද? එක මේක දාගන්න. 2 to the power 0 කියන්නේ 1, 2 to the power 1 කියන්නේ 2, 2 to the power 2 කියන්නේ 4, 2 to the power 3 කියන්නේ 8. හරිද පුතේ? Now දැන් හිතන්න you have a octal to convert. එහෙනම් මෙයාව හිතන්න එපා. 2 to the power 3 එක හිතන්න එපා. ඇයි? In octal you just need 3 binary bits to represent octal digit. එහෙනම් මේ තුන් දෙනා විතරක් ගන්න. හිතන්න 7 කියලා. 7 හැදෙන්න මොනවද ඕන? We need 4, we need 2, we need 1. 4 2 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 1 1. හරිද? You need to get 5. 1 0 1. 4 1යි නෙමොනේ. You need to get 6. 4 plus 2. 1 එක එපා. හරිද? ඔන්න hexadecimal ආව කියලා හිතන්න පුතේ. 12. 12 means C, right? C ආව. C means 12. To create 12 we need the hexadecimal හොඳේ. නම් bits 4ම ඕනේනේ. So C means 12. To create 12 we need 8, we need 4, we don't need 2, we don't need 1. 1 1 0 0. Right? ඔය වගේම තමයි binary එකක් ආවත් මේකෙන් ඒක hexadecimal ද octal ද ඕන එකකට convert කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? හිතන්න binary එකක් ආව කොහොමද 0 1 0 1 කියලා. What is this now? 1 තියෙනවා 4 තියෙනවා. What is this? 5. Understood only?
Yes, sir.
මේක පුතේ කම්මැලි කමට මම මේ කියලා දෙන එකක් හරිද? ලේසියට. හැබැයි you need to know how to divide the number and find the answer. හරිද? law of division එක හරියට ඔළුවේ තියෙන්න ඕන. මේවා කරන්න කලින් shortcuts කරන්න කලින් long method එක දැනන් ඉන්න. කොහොමද ඉතින් auto gear පදින්න කලින් නේද පුතේ? කොල්ලෝ දන්නවා manual වාහන පදින්න ඕන auto gear පදින්න. Right. So Roman number 3. Write down whether label A to D statements are true or false. You are required to write on the statement label and true or false. A. Higher the CPU speed makes the higher performance computer. Is that true? CPU ke speed එක වැඩි වෙන පුත හොඳයි speed eh? Yes, of course. See, when the CPU speed increases පුතේ performance increases. B. RAM stores data is not erased when disconnected from the electricity. ඒවා හඳේ. When the RAM doesn't get power, data will be wiped off. RAM එකේ තියෙන data, the data in the registers, the data in the cache memory, right? Data in all these 3 memory storage devices, they will be wiped out when the power is gone. So that's why we call them volatile memories, RAM, cache, registers. So B false. C. B false. C. Data encoding methods are used to represent characters and symbols in the computer. Is it true? It is true. BCD, ENIAC, ABCD, Unicode, these are used to represent characters inside the computer, right? D. Storing process of the computer is done as binary form. So do we store data in our computer in binary form? Yes, of course, that is the only thing the computer understands. So that is true. A true, B false, C true, D true, right? Then Roman number 4. State 3 services offered by the cloud computing concept. Tuna, then nanko paha. But the main three, infrastructure as a service, IaaS. ඔය පුතේ I එකයි S එකයි විතරයි capital. අර මැද තියෙන A දෙක double A simple IaaS, infrastructure as a service. යටි දාලා පහසු. Platform as a service, PaaS. කියලා නැත්නම් ලියාගන්න, write them down. Platform as a service. 3, software as a service, SaaS. ඊට අමතරව පුතේ security as a service, storage as a service, right? Security as a service and storage as a service. ඔය ටිකත් අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Then let's go to the 5th one. Following tables, column A shows set of tools available in the digital graphic editing software. The GIMP, right? Yeah, using the GIMP here. Okay. So what is A for the Eclipse? Right? What is this? Right? This is you select the required area as a circular or elliptic region, right? Elliptic region. So A is what? R. AR. Then we have the magic wand, right? B. It is used to select select connected areas on color similarity, right? What is it? B eකට මොකද්ද? P එක, right? BP. Then select the මොකද්ද මේ තියෙන්නේ? ඒක අපි කියවනේ. This is stamp tool, right? අමෙති copy selected area of a graphic to another, right? CS. C එකට S එක. Then පුතේ the last one, it is to insert text. DQ. Right. Then following table contains software types and some examples. Match and write correct example for event softwares, right? For relevant softwares, so we have to match them. Okay. Language translator, compiler interpreter, 1C, programming languages, basic Java, E, 2E, word processing software, LibreOffice Writer, Microsoft Word, D, 3D, spreadsheet software, LibreOffice Calc, Microsoft Excel, A, 4A, presentation software, LibreOffice Impress, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, a couple හදාගන්න පුතේ Microsoft PowerPoint, right? So anyway, for the 5th one, it is B. හරිද? But Microsoft Excel එක Microsoft PowerPoint වෙන්න, right? LibreOffice Impress and Microsoft PowerPoint for the 5th one, B. Then yes පුතේ.
Can you again tell the 6th question?
The 6th question answers, of course. Language translator, C, 1C, programming languages, 2E, word processing software, 3D, spreadsheet software, 4A, presentation software, 5B. About B again, put the Microsoft Excel, change that into Microsoft PowerPoint. Excel presentation. Right? Okay, Ramon?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Then we have a Pascal question. We have a test array, input, output, one array has 0 to 6 kind of 7 positions, right? Arrays always start with the 0 position. Array එක හැම වෙලේම පටන් ගන්න 0 position එකේ, right? 0 to 6 කියන්නේ 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 positions are there, right? Okay. Right. So we are assigning different values for different positions of the array, and then the program will repeat 5 times from 1 to 5, and in each round we have to display the values of the array from the first position to the 5th position. අයියේ count එක පටන් ගන්න පුතේ කීයෙන්ද? for count equal 1 to 5. count එක යන්නේ 1 to 5 විතරයි. array එකේ පුතේ 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 කියලා positions තිබ්බට we will be only displaying the values in the positions of the array 1 to 5. array එකේ 1 to 5 කියන positions වල තියෙන values විතරයි display කරන්නේ. ඇයි? Because we are using the count to get the location. Right? ln num count කියලා තියෙනවා. count එක පටන් ගන්න එකෙන් ඉවරෙන්නේ 5න්. හරිද? අන්න good point. Right. Okay. We'll just create the array. Right. Okay, Laman. So here num 0 is equal to 8. Num 0 කියන්නේ කීයද පුතේ? 8. හරිද? එහෙනම් මෙයා මොකද්ද? 8. Num 3 is 20. Num 5 is num 3 minus 5. Num 3 එකේ මොකක්ද තියෙන්නේ? Num 3 එකේ තියෙන්නේ 20. 20 minus 5 තමයි පුතේ මෙන්න මෙතනට එන්න ඕන. Num 5 කියන location එක. 20 minus 5. 20 වලින් 5 ගියාම 15. and num 5 කියන්නේ 15. Num 2 equal num 0 plus 5. Num 0 කියන්නේ කීයද? 8. හරිද? ඒතර 8 plus 5 තමයි num 2 එකට එන්න ඕනේ. මෙතන 8 plus 5 කියන්නේ කීයද? 13. Num 1 is equal to num 0 plus num 3. Num 1 එක මෙතනට num 0 which is 8 plus num 3 20. 28. Yeah, 28. Then පුතේ num 4 is num 5 into 2. num 5 num 4 එකට එන්නේ මේ පහේ ඉන්න එක්කෙනා දෙකකින් වැඩි වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙයා 30. num 6 එකට මොකද දීලා නැහැ. Right. Then we have to display right ln num count. Right. Okay. So the count goes from count today goes from 1 to 5. හරිද? So num 1 count එක මුලින්ම the first round count will be 1. So what you will be displaying is num 1. Next round you will be displaying num 2. Third round you will be displaying num 3. Fourth round you will be displaying num 4. Fifth round you will be displaying num 5. Num 1 is what today? 28. It is 28. Num 2 13. Num 3 20. Num 4 30. Num 5 15. And you need to write the answers one by one after another. Horizontally back, vertically. නේද? Right? ln තියෙන්නේ හරහාට ලියන්න බෑ. හරහා ලියවන වැරදි. No marks. One by one. You got to write it. Got it? Raise your hand if you are ready to answer. One by one. කොබලන් අතුස්සන් කී දෙනෙක් ලියවද කියලා බලන්න. One by one. Any yes. Very good. අද්දේනේ ඔනේ විතරද? අමනුත් is also Ari. Very good. Very good. Then anything. Hari, come on next. Put down your hands. Now you know. Now you know. That is the most important thing. You have to make mistakes to learn. Very good. Right. Okay. So eighth one. The eighth one is what? Hari. So following table contains the set of steps in system development life cycle and tasks carried out in the system development process. Correctly match steps with tasks, right? Match only English letter. Hari. System development life cycle steps. System deployment. In the deployment, Bude, S, 1S, install new system by removing the old. A direct deployment, but it is a deployment method. Requirement, so 1S, requirement identification. What is requirement identification? What do you do here? Huh? Discuss with the staff. You discuss with the staff to get the requirements, right? Interviewing. Yes, Q, very good. Design solutions. Design solution. This is where you design the hardware. This is where you determine the software. This is where you determine the relationships of the databases. This is where you identify the subsystems and how the data flows within the subsystems, the dependencies of the subsystems. So design solution. R. System maintenance. P. You modify, you upgrade, you add new requirements, you fix the bugs. Those are the things you do in the system maintenance, right? So 4P. 1S, 2Q, 3R, 4P. Then number 9, a student connects a pen drive. A student connected a pen drive. Student connected a pen drive to his computer and scan it using an antivirus software called A. Then open up a document using word processing software called B and inserted image that is edited by image editing software called C. Later, he did update the operating system called D through the internet. Using following list, state the relevant software category A, B, C, and D. Hari. A කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? Antivirus software, utility software, word processing software, application software. B, application. C, image editing software, application software, right? So the B එකයි C එකයි දෙකම application. D, operating system, system software, right? Okay, we have the von Neumann architecture, right? Actually, this is the modified von Neumann architecture. හරිද පුතේ? von Neumann ගේ architecture එක ඇත්තටම ඔය B එක නෑ, registers නෑ. එයා design කරද්දි registers දාලා design කරේ නෑ. හරිද? එයා design කරද්දි පුතේ main memory, secondary memory කියලා කඩ දෙයක් තිබෙත් නෑ. ඒක තමයි original design එක. පස්සේ we developed that, right, to create the modern digital computer, right? Hari. So enough with the history, not history class. Hari. A, input. B, register memory, right? Memory registers. B can. C, secondary memory. D, output, right? Okay, what do we have here? We have a poster created by using Word, and we need to identify what is A, B, C, and all, right? Hari, ab balam puthe monada me A, B, C tika kiyala. Okay. Yes, right. So we are given a list. With this list, we have to identify what each of these are. City soccer, right? That is what they call football in US, right? So with the soccer, it is a word dart. They balance a word dart. That is 15, number 15. Within word dart. Then B. B is an image. How do you insert an image, Pude? Huh? How do you insert an image? You can insert an image by using insert, or if it is a clip art, then you can go to the clip art to insert the image from the clip arts also, right? So we can take 10th one for the B. Okay, B එකට පුතේ 10 clip art එකක් විදිහට දාලා තියන්නේ. හරිද? මොකද insert එක නෑනේ නම් clip art. Then C, we have a bullet list. ඒක මොකද පුතේ? 8. Yes only, correct. then D අන්න බලන්න first letter එක මොකද්ද කරලා තියෙන්නේ it is capitalized and ඒක paragraph එක විදියට හදලා තියෙනවා පුතේ ඒක මොකද්ද what is this what is for the D ළමයි what is for the D drop 16 yes very good drop cap right drop cap ඒක තමයි paragraph එක first letter එක capital කරලා අර ලොකු කරලා දාන්නේ right drop cap yes very good now හරි then E also there what is E created by ICT branch UES right හරි so what is this one මේක මොකද්ද මේ කියන්න බලන්න 13 yes very good 13 පුතේ right E එක 13 the footer එක footer එකට දාලා right it is there in the footer okay very good හරියට දාලා තියෙනවා very good true or false we have a true or false here right slide transition and animation video and audio clips two can be inserted into a slide of course for a slide පුතේ audio video ඕන එකක් අපිට දාන්න පුළුවන් right for a slide we can new slide can be obtained in presentation using control N shortcut key combination new slide can be obtained new slide එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ control N එකෙන් can we වියඟ can we යශෝදරා can we පුතේ උඹ යශෝදරාගේ profile picture දැක්කම බය හිතෙනවා පියගුත් තරම් මේ ළම can we get a new slide with control N
No.
Nishan no we can't control N ගැවුවොත් මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ පුතේ what will happen
A new presentation. will
new
come.
presentation very good control මොකක්ද නම් එන්න ඊට පස්සේ control
M.
right M for manuth ඔයද ඉන්නේ manuth in M for manuth right very good then slide sorter එහෙනම් roman number 2 මොකද පුතේ false හරිද roman number 3 slideshow view is used to present an e-presentation to an audio slideshow view එකෙන් කරන්නේ අපි presentation එකක් audience එකට දෙන එකද yes that is true right slideshow presentation view slide sorter view can be used to arrange slide order yes we can do that the slide sorter view can tiles with we can display the slides and then we can change their position their order .exe file extension is used for electronic presentation .exe for executive files application files for the presentation to the what is it ppt even at the pptx the new version pptx even at the ppt right so fifth one false rapid ආවේ කොහමද true false true true false right roman number 3 following are the set of tables of an electronic database belong to wholesale apparel shop okay we have a database with 3 tables item table the buyers table and the sales table right okay in the sales table did you see that we have the item code and the buyer's code both what sort of a relationship do we have here පුළුවන් නම් කියන්න what sort of a relationship do we have here මොනවගේ එකක්ද තියෙන්නේ මොනවගේ relationship එකක්ද පුතේ we have one to one relationship හොඳට අහගන්න ඕනල් ලියාගන්න in a one to one relationship one table's primary key any table's primary key can be sent to any other table right දෙපැත්තම one පුතේ හරිද one to one I'm gonna unlock the database relationship for you right in a one to one relationship let me go to the whiteboard for a second හරි බලන්න ළමයි in a one to one relationship one table, may one can table there, right? These are two tables, right? Right? In a one-to-one relationship, if the both tables have one-to-one relationship, then any one table's primary key can be sent to any other table as a foreign key. Now, me දෙන්නගේ ඕන එකක් පුතේ foreign key එකක් විදිහට යවන්න පුළුවන් වෙන ඕනම table එකක. මේ දෙන්නගේ ඕන කෙනෙක් අතර යවන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක වැඩක් නෑ. ප්‍රශ්න නෑ කාටවත් කියන්නේ. In a one-to-many relationship, one side's primary key will be sent to the many side as the foreign key. One side එකේ primary key එක තමයි පුතේ, right? අපි යවන්නේ many side එකට foreign key එකක් විදියට. In a many-to-many relationship, both of their primary keys are sent to a third table as foreign keys. දැන් මේ table එක බලන්න මොන වගේ relationship එකක් තියෙන්නේ? What sort of a relationship do we have here? බලන්න. Item table එකේ primary key එක තියනවද buyer table එකේ? No. Buyer table primary key in the item table? No. But both of their primary keys are there in the third table, sales table as foreign keys. Then what sort of a relationship is there? It's a many-to-many relationship between these three tables. හරිද? මොකද many-to-many එකේ තමයි තුන්වෙනි table එකක් හදලා ඒකට දාන්නේ both primary keys foreign keys විදියට. Right? Keep that in mind. හරි. Database අමාරු ළමයි ඉන්නවා නම් ඒක group එක message එකක් දාන්න. හරිද? ඒක අමාරු lesson එක මතක් mention කරලා පුතේ. I will check my recordings and I will see what are the classes that I'm doing, the session at the moment, right? Database කරන මොකක් හරි lesson class එකක් තියෙනවා නම් I will record it and I will send it to the group, right? හරි. So then state two primary keys with respective table names. Primary keys, right? With the table name. මෙන්න මෙහෙම උත්තර ලියන්නේ. මම කලින් කියලා තියෙනවා. Item table inside brackets මොකද්ද? Item underscore code space 1. Spelling එහෙමම තියෙනවා. Spelling mandatory. වෙනස් වෙන්න බෑ. Table name, field name, spelling mandatory, right? Item table, item underscore code space 1. Buyer table, buyer underscore code. Those are the primary keys, right? 3 marks for that. State foreign key field related to this database, 1.5 marks for each. State foreign key field related to this database with respective table name. State foreign key field, foreign key එකහන්නේ, right? Sales table පුතේ item code, sales table buyer underscore code දෙකම. Sales table item underscore code එකක් තියෙනවා. Sales table buyer underscore code. Both of them are foreign keys. Both of them are foreign keys. ලියන්න buyer table item code කෙරේ buyer table එකේ primary key. Sales table එක තමයි foreign key එක. So පුතේ sales table item code, sales table buyer code. Okay? Foreign key එක වෙන්නේ එතනනේ sales table එකේනේ. Right. So Roman number 3. If company name Sitara Fashion buys 45 frocks FR012 on the same day registered on 2018 April 10th with code SP005. Write the table. Okay. All right. So this company is a new company. They register with the given SP005 code, and at the same day they buy 45 frocks. Right? FR012 is the item code. Right. Let me type the answer in the screen. Let me reduce. So today we need to update what? First of all, we need to update the buyer table. Inside brackets. What is the buyer code? SP005. SP005. Command name. Sitara Fashion 2018 April 10. Right. On a bio table like hari. Right. Then item table. In the item table, what? What is the item code? Let's see. FR012. FR012. FR012 is it there? Right? That is there. The item is there. Item table update pen on the right? Oh, item table get update pen on. Why is that? Because now the stock is reduced, right? What 5 name? FR012, item name, stock, unit price 900, and the stock. Now, what is the stock? Now, the stock is 300. Okay, kids. Now, the stock is 300. All right. Then, sales table. Right? Because there is a sales, right? It is a sales. Sales table. SV005, comma, FR012. Date item code is there. Buyer code, comma, count 45. Like this, you have to write the answer. Or otherwise, you can draw the table. You can draw the table and only insert the record. Fields record. That is also one method, but this one is actually easy, right? And also you can get the full marks. Okay. Then write the table which will be updated in the transition. So buyer table, item table, sales table. Write the record which will be updated on right? The records are also there. Then let me remove this. Okay. To visit the Ministry of Education website, a student opened A and on B entered the C of Ministry of Education website by using the websites D entered to eTaksala website E. Service offered by the internet helps him to visit this website, right? Fill in the blanks. So we have to fill in the blanks here. Okay. So I have explained you earlier. I have explained you the process. කලින් මේක process එක explain කරලා දීලා තියෙනවා. මේ process එක කොහොමද වෙන්නේ කියලා, how the internet works, right? In our tutor is also there. So Hari, so what is A? What do we open? We open the web browser, right? A is web browser, and on B, what is B? B එක තමයි පුතේ address bar එක. අපි URL එක type කරන්නේ search bar කියන්නේ address bar, right? In the address bar, enter the, what is it? What is that we enter? URL, Uniform Resource Locator, URL, right? Now C can look at the URL of Ministry of Education website by using the websites D enter to eTaksala. What is D? In the search results, you will get the website link, the hyperlink. You click that. When you search, when you give the URL and search for it, your search engine will show you all the different research result. Each search result will have a hyperlink. So what is D puti? D is the hyperlink, right? By using the website's hyperlink, enter the link, enter to Ethaksala website. Website's URL. D can URL. When you insert the URL, ඊට පස්සේ එනවා අපිට link ටික හරිද enter to Ethaksala website. E කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? What is E? Right, hold on. A is the web browser, B is the address bar, C is the URL, Y is the website hyperlink, enter to Ethaksala website. Then E කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? World Wide Web. E is the World Wide Web. That is the service offered by the internet. World Wide Web. E කියන්නේ World Wide Web. A
Yes,
web
sir.
browser. Yes, Pude?
Sir, can you tell the answers for B, C, and D?
Yes. A web browser, B address bar, C URL, D hyperlink. එහෙම නැත්නම් hyperlink කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා නේ hyperlink, right? And D hyperlink, E World Wide Web, right? හරි. Someone, the head prefect of a school, is supposed to send an email regarding 2019 annual education trip to whole prefect board. He expects to send copies of that email to section head teachers and principal. But other recipients shouldn't know that the principal is getting a copy. And a principal code they are not blind carbon copy BCC principal in the BCC. Because the BCC, when you put a contact to the BCC, others can't see the BCC. හැබැයි BCC ට අනිත් අයව පේනවා. Principal ට අනිත් හැමෝම පේනවා. අනිත් අය principal පේන්නේ නැහැ. BCC. හරි. So he expects to send copies of that email to section head, teacher and principal. හරි. Principal යනවා BCC, section head යනවා CC එකට. යාට copy එකක් ගියා නම් ඇති. යා hide වෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Right? Parents guardians consent letter format for the trip is supposed to be attached with the email. Following is the relevant email. Okay, we have to find. We have to name the components, right? Hurry. Roman number 1. Where to enter the email address of the main recipient? Prefects. Prefects la කොහෙද දාන්නේ? අපුතේ. ඒක 2 එකට. Right? Where to enter the principal email address in order to cover it from the other recipient? කොහෙද ඉන්නේ? D. BCC. D එකට. Right? Roman number 3. What is the tool that can be used to attach guardian's consent letter as an attachment? Attachment දාන්නේ I එකෙන්. I. What is the label that indicates the email sent by someone? Email sent by someone. Someone නේද මේ යවන්නේ පුතේ. Right? Someone නේද අපේ head prefect. Yes. Someone යවපු emails කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? E එකේ. Sent. It is there in the sent. Fifth one. What is the respective label to find the recent deleted emails? Deleted emails in when go in trash again. G. Deleted emails are there in the trash. G, right? Okay. Further, done? Done with that question?
Yes, sir.
Right. Fifth one. Principal has asked school ICT club to develop a computer-based library information system instead of the existing manual information system. Right. Roman number 1. Requirements should be identified to develop this system. What are your suggestions? Requirements should be identified to develop this system. What are your suggestions? අපේ suggestions මොනවද පුතේ? What are the requirements that should be there? No, hold on. They are asking what are the requirement gathering techniques. ඒවට suggestions අහන්නේ. හරිද? දෙන්න. Observation, interview, හරිද? Examining related documents, questionnaires, surveys, prototypes. Within පුතේ. Right? No. Interview, observation, analyzing or even examining related documents, right? Questionnaires, surveys, prototypes. interview අනිවාර්යෙන් ලියන්න ඕන, observation අනිවාර්යෙන් ලියන්න ඕන, questionnaires අනිවාර්යෙන් ලියවෙයි. හරිද පුතේ? Right. Then Roman number 2, Nimal and team from the ICT club have asked to test the developed system. What would be the possible testing methods? Unit testing, integrated testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Unit testing can be we break down the system into the most smallest component and check that one, check whether the code works, right? Then we combine the unit tested components into main system areas. We call them integrated areas. Then we test them. That is what we call integrated testing. Once the integrated testing is done, we combine all the integration tested components together, and we build the entire system, right? The complete system. Then we test the complete system. System testing can occur, right? That is system testing. Then once the system testing is done, we give it to the client. Or client, all done. Check it. You accept it or reject it, or you want more changes. Under the acceptance testing, right? Okay. Then unit testing, integrated testing, system testing, acceptance testing, right? Roman number 3, library request to deploy the new system and declare that all system is to be ended after the new system deployment. What would be the suggested? Deploy direct deployment, right? When the new system is deployed, if the librarian saying that all system should be removed, then basically it is direct deployment. Remove the old one, put the new one, right? Direct deployment, since the old system will be removed at the time of the deployment of new system. Emilian, explaining, right? Because the old system will be removed at the time of the deployment of the new system, right? Roman number 4, there are models for system development process. State 2 models, system development process. We have the waterfall method. Yes, Tamanad.
Iterative.
Iterative incremental model. What else?
Spiral model.
Spiral model, very good. What else?
Prototype.
Prototyping model, very good. Right? Spiral, right? Then, fifth one. Due to the fact that shifting manual systems to computer-based system for a school library, what would be the benefit of the student? Students are the benefits making. Now the leeway. Can balance. What have you written?
Access to ebooks.
Okay.
Ability to provide ebooks.
Yes, ability to provide ebooks, right? The possibility to reserve books. Reserve if someone else has taken the book, so ability to reserve books. What else? This system will minimize the errors. If we discuss this in a broader context, system will minimize errors. System will be able to display past records. Right? Whether the student have returned the previous books. Minimize errors, increase efficiency. What else?
So can we take that it is easy to find a particular book that is present in the library?
Yes. Easy to find the books available in the library. Easy to find the books available in the library, easy to reserve book, right? Receiving ebooks. Broader concept minimum errors, increase the efficiency, increase the accuracy, productivity of the system. Right? Okay. Then let's get to the sixth one. Following is a flow chart for a computer program that's objective is to check multiple choice answers of an examination answer sheet, right? Following is a flowchart for a computer program that's objective is to check multiple choice answers of an exam sheet. An array capable of storing 40 elements named ans. So answers කියලා පුතේ array එකක් තියෙනවා. Right? You store correct answers of 40 questions. මේ array එකේ the answers of 40 questions are there. Right? Respectively answers for the label P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S fill කරන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. Right? Right. Right. Okay, lamai. So start. Total equals 0. Right? Then Q number, question number equals 1. Right. So total එක ගණන් වෙන්නත් ඕන ළමයි, meaning how many total of how many MCQs are correct කියන එක බලන්නත් ඕන. Right? Then question number 1. හරි. Question numbers 40 වෙනකන් යන්නත් ඕන. Right? So question number 1 less than or equal P. What is P පුතේ? Question number 1. Question number start with 1. Right? So it should be less than or equal to 40. P කියන්නේ කවුද? 40. Question numbers ගන්න 40 වලට සමාන හෝ අඩු වෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? So P කියන්නේ 40. Then if it is years, එහෙනම් R කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Years. Q means එහෙනම් no. R එක years, Q එක no. If it is years, years කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Question number එක පුතේ it is less than 40. So still you are counting the answers, right? Then input the answer. Input the student's answer, right? Answer equal answer question number. Question number එක 1 නම් පුතේ. Question number 1 එක මොකද්ද? Answer කියන array එකෙන් question number 1 question number එකට අදාළ answer එක අරගෙන බලනවා අපි දීපු answer එකට සමානද කියලා, right? Whether our first answer is another equal to the answer of the array called answer. අර array එකක් තියෙනවනේ පුතේ answer කියලා. ඒකේ එක position එකේ තියෙන value එක අරගෙන බලනවා අපි ඒ දීපු value අපි දීපු answer එකට ඒක equal ද කියලා. If it is equal, then පුතේ it is identified as a correct answer, right? So answer equal ANS inside brackets question number. If it is no පුතේ, then you just add 1 to the question number. මොනවා වුණත් question number එක වැඩි වෙන්න එපා නේද? If it is years, years නා පුතේ. If it is years, then total equals what? Total equals putte total plus 1. Total equals total plus 1 and then add 1 to the question number, right? S කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Total. S means total. ඔන්න අපි හරි, right? Yeah, I find the answer. P40 R yes, Q no, S total. Right. මොකක්ද දාන්නේ? Which type of nested control structure is used in the flowchart? What are the control structures today we have here? We have a selection, right? We have a repetition. Repetition too. We have to get the question. Selection to find whether it is correct or wrong. Our answer is correct or wrong, right? Selection and repetition. Selection and repetition for the Roman number 2. Write respective pseudocode for the above flowchart. මේක පුතේ ඉතින් pseudocode එක ලියන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. Right? හරි. මේක පොඩ්ඩක් ගමු. See the question. Start. Begin. Total equals 0. Make killing, huh? Killing. Total equals 0. I have seen some people write this in a line with begin. Begin and end killing put then. Total equals 0. Q number equals 1. Then while the Q number less than or equal 40, do what to do. yes side එක දෙන්න. හරිද? මේක while එකෙන් පටන් ගන්න තියෙන්නේ. if you are giving the while check to the yes side, right? That is your repeating area. Input, answer, input the answer, and then answer equals ANS. We know when the answer is equal to answer, right? The array called answer and the position called Q num. Right? Take a selection එකක් නේ. It is a selection. If answer is equal to ANS inside bracket Q. Then total equals total plus 1, right? Else එකක් තියෙනවද ළමයි? Else එකක් නැහැ. And if, right? අර no එකෙන් කෙලිමිකෙත් මුකුත් නැහැනේ. yes එකයි no එකයි join වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ end if එකට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා, right? ඒ අතරතුර no එකට මුකුත් නැහැනේ. එහෙනම් else එකක් නැහැ, right? දැන් මොකක්ද දෙන්න ඕන? Right? Q number equals Q number plus 1. ඊපස්සේ and while and then display total and in the program, right? This is your code. Sorry, your pseudocode. Question number 7. මම ඒත් බැලුවා කොයිද අපේ Excel එක. ළමයි okay with this? Done, right? Hi. කවුද පොඩයි. Last week, Rama, due to the POA, the programming class, I didn't have the programming class, so there's no recording for the previous week. But for this week, there will be 2 recording, right? Programming class recordings really. So I'll put the 2 recordings before the end of this week, huh? Hi. Excel. Right. Following is the spreadsheet segment shows the sales report of Viamba Computers, which is done by 9 sales reps by within 3 months. Okay. Write the sale range for the sales of 9 sales reps in the month of January. Right? For the month of January, we have to get the 9 sales reps in the month of January. Hi. Sell range, they are not asking the formula, they are asking the sell range. Sell range for the month of January. 9 sales C5 to C13. Range for the January. For those 9 sales rep, right? The range is what? To calculate this, the range they are asking, not the formula. The range is C5 to C13. C5 to C13. Then write a function to calculate total sales in the month of January by using හරි. ඔන්න දැන් අපිට C14 වලට value එකක් count කරන්න කියලා කියනවා, right? So what is it? Let me type it in here. Equal sum inside brackets දීලාම තියෙනවා නෙමෙයි function එකයි range එකයි දෙන්න කියලා, right? මෙතන. So equal sum C නේද? C5 colon C30. Right. On the Roman number 2 එකට අපේ function එක. Then using function 2 cell range is given, format function, find the average sales value of Kamal for January, February, and March. Average එක බලන්න කියනවා Kamal. Guys, Kamal is in the අමෙති 5th row. Kamal in the 5th row. Right. Average. I'll give the full spelling. AVG හරියන්නේ නැහැ. Average spelling තියෙන්න ඕන. AVG හරියන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? So C5 colon E5. That is the 3 months average of Kamal. Then Roman number 4. Viable computers decide to offer bonus price based on the average sales value of the January, February, March month. Construct a formula in G5 to calculate the bonus value. So the bonus value they are calculating how would they? They are calculating the bonus value bonus price equal general sales value into bonus percentage. හරි. පොඩ්ඩක් ගිහලා බලමු general sales value කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Right. So where do you have the general sales value today? In the F5, right? I think that need to be multiplied by what? Bonus percentage, right? Take up multiply කරන්න ඕන bonus percentage, right? So F5 into what put they? F5 into G3. F5 into, right? F5 into $G $3. Dollar දාලා නැත්තම් for the column and the row number it is incorrect. Right? Why? Because the percentage is only there in the G3 cell. So it should be fixed. Like absolute right? Right. So these are the answers for the first three. First three, for second one, third one, and the fourth one, right? Then write down the steps to copy the formula inserted in cell G5 to cell range G6 to G13. G5 එකේ තියෙන formula එක. G5 එකේ මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? The bonus, right? G5 we have the bonus. We have to copy it from G5 to G13. Sorry, G5 formula to G6 and G13. Hari. There are two ways. The copying steps, right? That's a copying technique and a fill handler. Let's go for the copy. Copy the formula, right? Right click on G5 and copy the formula. Select the cell range from G6 to G13. Right click on it and paste the formula. G5 එකට ගියා, right click කරා, copy කරා formula එක, G6 to G13 select කරා, you paste the formula, right? Then fill handler. Go to the right lower corner of G5 cell. මේ fill handler හොඳේ. Go to the right lower corner of the G5 cell. Click on the fill handler. Click on the fill handler and drag it till G13. And then drag it from G6 to G13 කියලා දාන්න. So those are the two techniques. හරිද ළමයි? Right. So with that, we are done with the paper. Now let me tell you the schedule. Let me teach you the schedule. Hurry. Give me a second. I think. Right.